Mygz Molino is one of the popular Philippines vloggers, models, and indie actors. He is known for performing various roles in the movies. He was born on December 10 in the year 1985 in Marikina, Philippines. He is mainly recognized for being part of number hit movies, as we have mentioned earlier in the above paragraph. He has not disclosed his personal information to the media. There are lots of people who are searching for more details such as Mygz Molino's wife's name and his family background. He is one of the successful and multi-talented personalities. He has his own YouTube channel on which he posts his vlogs. He has gained a huge number of subscribers. Being a model, he has also gone through plenty of modeling projects. He is becoming very famous day by day. Being an actor, he has been quite prominent with the time. Some of the hit movies are Idnal, Mestizo, A Beautiful Boy, and Howla. In 2010, Mygz and Mahal first met at a show in Abra. He and the 46-year-old comedian also worked in another project movie entitled Idnal in 2012. He is being searched by tons of fans. For all of them, we have created a post which contains more information about him. Whenever they don't have a taping or work, they spend their usual day talking with each other and doing videos for their YouTube channel. He does the cooking and all other house chores. And if he has time, he also paints. He grew up at a time when YouTube was a major platform for young artists to showcase their talents. Based on what is seen on his videos and other social media platforms, Mygz seems to be an affectionate and caring man. He is shown in his actions toward Mahal. With what he's shown everyone so far, we have a good feeling that we will be seeing a lot more of Molino in the years to come. He has worked hard to establish himself as a successful social media personality.